Welcome, everyone. Today, we are presenting a bold proposal to enhance wildfire resilience for the transportation network of British Columbia. Wildfires are an increasingly present threat in our region, and they can devastate communities, disrupt vital infrastructure, and claim lives. To address this, we are introducing a multi-layered wildfire prevention and safety system, a system that draws inspiration from innovative solutions used in other parts of the world, particularly in Russia, and combines them with modern fire suppression technologies. At the core of this proposal is a fire-resistant tunnel system designed to protect key roadways, enable safe evacuations, and ensure that emergency responders can operate effectively in the face of a wildfire emergency. Let's begin by diving into the primary feature of this system, the fire-resistant road tunnels. This innovative design utilizes fireproof, retractable fabric screens that snap up from the sides of the road, creating an overhead protective barrier when wildfire danger is imminent. Inspired by fire screens and fire-resistant mesh used in Russian roads to block drones, known for their anti-drone nets, we have developed a solution that provides both physical and psychological benefits while offering a highly practical way to keep critical roads open during a wildfire emergency. The fire-resistant mesh fabric used in these tunnels is critical to the system's effectiveness. Materials like Kevlar, aramid fibers, or carbon fiber composites are ideal choices for the fabric due to their exceptional fire-resistant properties and durability. Kevlar, in particular, is known for its high tensile strength and resistance to heat. It's often used in protective gear like bulletproof vests, and this same material can withstand intense temperatures, making it an ideal candidate for a fire barrier. Kevlar's ability to maintain its structural integrity in extreme heat ensures that the tunnels remain intact, even during the most intense wildfire events. In addition, these fabrics are lightweight yet incredibly strong, allowing the system to be deployed quickly and effectively. The tunnel is designed to snap up from both sides of the road and form a protective canopy above. It's built with a retractable mechanism that can be triggered either manually or automatically, depending on the level of fire risk. This system is built to be quick and efficient, taking mere minutes to deploy along a stretch of road. Once in place, the fire-resistant mesh prevents flames and embers from reaching the road surface. The mesh also works in tandem with a network of sprinklers embedded along the edges of the tunnel. These sprinklers continuously spray water, creating a wet zone that helps suppress the spread of flames and serves as an additional protective layer for the road surface. One of the standout features of this system is its consideration of wildlife. Beneath the fire-resistant tunnels, we've included underroad tunnels specifically designed for animal migration. These tunnels allow wildlife to safely pass under the roadway, ensuring that their movement is not interrupted by the fire-resistant system above. These crossings are strategically placed in areas where wildlife is known to travel, offering them a safe passage beneath the road during wildfire events. In addition to protecting wildlife, this feature mitigates the risk of animal-vehicle collisions, which are especially common in regions where wildlife migrates across busy roads. By creating a system that allows both humans and animals to coexist safely with wildfire prevention technology, we're ensuring that we don't only protect our infrastructure, but also maintain a balance with the surrounding ecosystem. These underroad tunnels, in conjunction with the fire-resistant barriers, also help to reduce the long-term environmental impact of fire suppression efforts, preserving natural habitats and reducing wildlife stress during fire events. Would you like me to keep going if there's more text you need read out?